Hi guys, let us get into the Aptitude Tidbits 8. Here we are going to discuss the concept permutations because permutations is one of the familiar concepts used in aptitude test. So let us see what is permutations. Before getting into the definition of permutations, we will discuss the fundamental principle of counting. We take up a simple example. John has three pants and two shirts. How many different pairs of a pant and a shirt can he dress up with? So how many pants he has? Three. So he has three choices. So three ways he can choose a pant. For each pant he has two shirts, two choices of shirt. So the total number of different possible pairs will be 3 multiplied by 2, 6. So we take another example. Kannan has two school bags, three different boxes, and two water bottles. In how many ways can he carry these items? Choosing one each. So we see the diagram. So Kannan has choices of two bags. So that means he can choose one out of these two bags. For each bag, again, he has got three different boxes. So that means you can choose one different box out of three. Again, for each different box, he has got choices of two water bottles. So you multiply these 2 multiplied by 3, again multiplied by 2, you'll get totally 12 choices. So what is the multiplication principle now? If an event can occur in m different ways, following which another event can occur in n different ways, the total number of occurrence of events will be m multiplied by n. That is what we have seen in the fundamental principle of counting. So now we come to the definition of permutation. A permutation is an arrangement in a definite order of a number of objects taken, some or all at a time. So what is the formula for this? NPR is equal to factorial of n divided by factorial of n minus r. So you know what I mean by factorial. For example, factorial of 4 is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. So that is a way you are calculating the factorial of a number. Another definition, another formula, the number of permutations of n different objects taken r at a time where repetition is allowed, then the formula will be n to the power of r. So we should remember these two formulas to calculate the permutations. Suppose we take an example. How many three-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, assuming that repetition of digit is allowed and repetition of digits is not allowed. We take the first one without repetition. So what is the formula? Can you tell me? NPR is equal to factorial of n divided by factorial of n minus r. So here, how many digits are there? 5 digits are there. I have to choose 3 out of that. So 5p3 is equal factorial of 5 divided by factorial of 5 minus 3. So what is factorial of 5? As I already told you, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So factorial of 2 is 1 into 2. So when we strike out 1 into 2, so you will get 3 into 4 into 5. So the total choices will be 60. So what is another part of this question? Repetition. Repetition is allowed. So what will happen? With the repetition, what is the formula? N to the power of R. So we have got 5 digits, 5 different digits, and I have to choose 3 digits out of that. So 5 to the power of 3. So the value will be 125. Next, given 4 flags of different colors, how many different signals can be generated if a signal requires use of two flags, one below the other. Now, what is the formula we have to choose? So, NPR. Okay, so what is the way you have to choose? 4 out of 2 out of 4. So 4p2 is equal to 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 factorial. So again 4 factorial, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 divided by 1 into 2. The value is 12. The next example, how many 3-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? The digits can be repeated. So what is the principle of even number? It should end up with 2, 4, 6. Okay. So that is within this given choices. The given choices of digits are 1 to 6. So even numbers means here it must end up with 2, 4 or 6 in ones place of a number. What happened to the tens place? We'll see it later. So in ones place, there are only 3 choices because you can have only 2, 4 or 6. In tens place and hundreds place, we are applying repetition also. So the formula is n to the power of r. That is in tens place and hundred place, you can have any digit out of this 6, 1 to 6. So what is the number of choices now? 6 to the power of 2 because 6 digits are there and I have to choose 2 digits out of that. 6 square is equal to 36. But in ones place I can have only 3 choices. So multiplying this 3 into 36 you will get 108. Did you understand this concept? So now we will see the next question. What is the next question now? How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with a 6, 7 and no digit appears more than once? So I think we can discuss this problem in the next video.